Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a cube and cube pattern in a 3x3. So okay, viewers, grab your 3x3s and get ready. First we will be twisting this corner and this corner. After that we have to twist this part. So to do the corner twist, we need to do this algorithm. Do a B2 and then do R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R, and after that I U, and after that do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, U prime. After that finish it off with a B2. So after that you're gonna see that these two corners are twisted. So let me tell you something, if you have any problem coping up with my speaking of the algorithms, you can go and check out the description. I have all the algorithms written down here. So after that we need to twist this part. So for that part we need to learn an algorithm. So let's do the algorithm. The algorithm is F L F U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime B D prime B prime L2 and U. So we're done with the algorithm and you're gonna see that you have the cube and cube pattern now. It looks amazing. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for cubing content, and see you next time.